Okay, this is Basilisk Fang, or Lame, as I'm known, or was, because people on Racket Boy won't change my name. But I was at a garage sale and found a switch box. Looking at this on eBay a while ago. It's the DX-VS201A box. The interesting thing is that it claims to convert composite to S-video, which it actually does do. I'll get to that in a second. So it has, you can see that it's 2 outs, in with no S-video, in with S-video,
boom!
in with S-video, and that was the ringtone, and this is in without S-video. So it's 2 composite only and 2 S-video and composites. Some other switch boxes, don't worry about that. So here I have my AV Famicom, which if you know your shit, you should know that it does not put out S-video. There's a couple top loaders, but yeah, don't worry about that. So this doesn't put out S-video, so I'm going to show you that this box does work. It does what it says. This is Yoshi's Cookie on Famicom. So there's the connector, and it is going to out 4. Button 4 is pushed, and the output here is only S-video. There's no yellow going out. My TV, I don't know if you can see that, but my TV has no yellow plugged in. Now I noticed it's kind of jaggy. I don't know how the thing is. I opened up the switch box before the video and it doesn't have any powered components, and I don't need to plug it in. So that's pretty much what that is. And I have my 2 PS2s running right here. This bottom one has Fight Club playing in component, and this top one has Fight Club playing in composite through that switch box. So we're going to see how it looks. So there's Fight Club. The captions are on. Doesn't look too bad. There's some graininess. And here is it on component. So you can see it's a lot more vivid. So now I'm going to change it back. It's a little less vivid and jaggier. More interlacing. So that's my... Here, let me do that one more time. So it's not bad. I picked it up for $3 and it works pretty good. So if anyone has a new HD TV like mine, it doesn't have 2 composites, only 1, but I use it for S-video. So it's a pretty good box. Let me know. Bye.